Today I'm revealing a powerful trading strategy that has been giving me huge profits, and I'll also show you exactly how to set up the indicator so you won't get confused. Now without wasting any time, let's get back into the video. Okay, at first let's enable the indicators. The first indicator is RSI, and now let's set the period 5 and let's make the main line white with 2 pixel and another should be green. Let's make it gray with 2 pixel and the last one is red with 2 pixel. Okay, that's all, and let's save it. Now let's enable another indicator which is moving average, and let's edit its value as well. Period should be 6 and style should be green with 2 pixel, and save. And let's enable another indicator which is moving average again. Now let's edit its period which is 50. Let's set the style to red with 2 pixel. Okay, that's all. And again, the moving average. In this strategy we need 3 moving average and 1 RSI. Okay, and let's edit the value of this to 14 and style should be white with 2 pixel. Okay, now let's save it. Okay, now let's change the chart to Japanese candle with 1 minute time frame. As you can see, 1 minute time frame is selected. Now set the timer to 1 minute as well. Okay, now let's start, but before starting let's select the currency pair. Select the best currency pair which has more than 70% return. Most of the strategy only works when you select the best currency pair, so make sure to select the best ones. Okay, that's all. Now let's search for the perfect timing to open a position. Okay, I've sold here. The reason I've sold is, as you can see, these 3 line moving average line which is red, green and white, these all are intersecting each other. As you can see, these all are intersecting each other and following the downtrend. As you can see, these all are showing the down. So this is the main indicator which shows the downtrend, and if you look at the RSI as well, the RSI is below the red line. So that's the main reason I have sold. If the RSI was above a red line, then I won't trade here. I would have skipped, but fortunately it was below the red line, that's why I have traded here. And there is a bit fluctuation, the green candle is formed, that's why the RSI is a bit up, but there is no any problem. I'm sure that it will go down, but there is no any time left, so we made a lot. Okay, we made a profit here. I wasn't expecting that, but we made a profit. Okay, I have opened the position here and I have bought here because, as you can see, all of these line are intersecting each other, and green line and white line is above the red line, so which indicates the uptrend. Whenever this kind of pattern is formed, always the market will go up. And if you see in the RSI as well, the white line is above the green line. If it was below the green line, I won't open the position here, but it is above the green line, that's why I opened the position, but it is fluctuating a lot, so that's why it again touched the green line. Here we don't have to worry. Okay, my internet was a bit slow, that's why the market was paused for a second, and I think we got another profit here. And make sure that always look at the RSI as well. So make sure to look at the RSI as well. This is also one of the main indicator in this strategy. Okay, here I want to explain something. Whenever you see this type of pattern, you want it to buy, because as you can see, all of the indicators are showing the uptrend. As you can see, the RSI also, and also the moving average also showing the uptrend, so you want to buy. But I'll suggest you to not to buy, because as you can see, the red line is above both of these. As you can see, the red line is above the green and white line, so that's the reason I said not to buy in this kind of situation. So I'll also suggest you to not to trade in this situation, because anything can happen, so don't take the risk. And yeah, here as you can see, I have sold here because all of the indicators are showing the downtrend, and the green line and red line is intersecting each other. And if you look at the RSI as well, it's below the red line, so that's why I sold. Make sure to look at the RSI because it's one of the main indicator. If it's above the green line, then we can buy, and if it's below the red, we can sell. And here I think we have made another profit. Okay, and 3 consecutive profit. Now let's search for another. Okay, here I have sold. The reason I have sold is here, as you can see, it is intersecting all of these moving average line, red, white and green is intersecting each other, which indicates the clear down signal. And also if you look at the RSI, as you can see, it's showing the downtrend. So all of the indicators are showing the downtrend, that's why I have sold. So let's see what will happen. And I think we can make another profit because every indicator is showing the market will go down. And if the RSI was not below the red line, I won't open the position here, but fortunately it was below the red line, so I opened the position. And okay, okay, here I made the profit, but because of my internet, I don't know why today it's a bit slow, but we had made a profit. That was our fourth successful trade of the day. Okay, as you can see here, I have sold here. The reason I have sold is, as you can see, two big red candle is formed. Whenever this type of candle is formed, the market will always go down. Not always, but most of the time it will go down. If the candle, this type of green candle is formed, the market will go up. Not every time, but most of the time it will go up. And as you can see, the red line is above this green and white line. If it was below, then I won't start trading here, but it was above these two line. And also if you see the green and white line of this moving average in intersecting each other, and also in the RSI, it's below the red line. As you can see, it's way below the red line, so that's the reason I have sold here. And I guess we will make another successful trade. This is our fourth trade, and we have made another profit. Okay, we have made another profit. And yeah, okay, here I have opened the position and I have bought here, because the reason I have bought is, as you can see here, green and red moving average intersecting each other, and this green and white line is above this red line, so that's why I have bought. And one of the main reason is the RSI is also above the green line. As you can see, white line is above the green line, so which indicates the market will go up, and I have bought here. And if you look at the overall market, it's going up, down and up, and I think it will go up, and here you can make another profit. So this is our fifth successful trade of the day, I guess, but it's fluctuating a lot, and but we will make profit, I am sure. And this can be a close call, I guess. I don't know what happened to my internet, it's very slow today, but here we made another profit. Okay, now let's go for another. Okay, I have sold here. As you can see, the reason I have sold is, as you can see, all of these are indicating the downtrend. As I said previously, the red line is above both of these two green and white line, which indicates the downtrend. And if you look at the RSI as well, it's below the red line, and the green line and red line, if you look back, as you can see, if you look back here, all of the moving average line, white, red and green, is intersecting each other, and after that it started to follow the downtrend, as you can see. And if you look at here as well, when it is intersecting here again, it started to follow the uptrend. So I think we'll make another profit here. 6 7 remaining, 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, we made another successful trade here, and now we'll go for the last trade of the day. So let's search for another. I think we can do trade here again, because every indicator is showing the downtrend, and I have already explained why I sold here in previous trade. This is the same reason, there is the same reason, so we will wait for this. Okay, I won't explain anything, just let's wait and watch. Today I don't know what happened to my internet today, and it's fluctuating a bit. As you can see, the green candle is formed, but I don't think so it will go up because every indicator is showing the downtrend. Here in the here in the RSI it's showing the up, but it's because the green candle is formed. If it goes down again, it will show the downtrend. Okay, I think this will be close call. And okay, we had made, okay, this is the close call, I guess. Okay, we made another profit here, and this was our successful trade of the day. Okay, this was the session, and I made $687 in profit using this strategy. If you follow the same step I showed you in this video, set up the indicator correctly, you can start seeing the result like this as well. But here I'm not saying that it is 100% true that you will make money 100%. You can lose as well, but most of the time, if you follow all the steps correctly, you can gain profit as well. So I'll suggest you to start with a small amount and gradually increase the amount when you started to make profit. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like, comment and subscribe. Okay, see you in the next strategy video.